So this is a driving tour in Seymour, Tennessee. I'm going to go around different areas, neighborhoods. This particular one, I'm going to go North Knob Creek to Tittsworth Springs to Chapman Highway, back around. So right now I am driving on North Knob Creek Road. Passing Knob Ridge Apartments. At this intersection of North Knob Creek and Tittsworth, on the right is a new D.R. Horton neighborhood. We're going to go left. Now we're on Tittsworth Springs Rd. Is the Break Ridge community. And just to give you an idea of how traffic is during this time of the day, it's about 12:45 on a Sunday afternoon, summertime. It's the July 4th weekend. Today's the 6th. So coming up to this light, this is Chapman Highway. I'm going to go left. If I go down right, that is towards Sevierville, so you'll get right into downtown Sevierville. It's only about a 15-minute drive to downtown Sevierville from here, just right down Chapman Highway. Alright, so we're on Chapman Highway. There's some medical offices, Dollar General. There's a Tractor Supply coming up on the right. Do another video to the Seymour First Baptist Church up here on the left. It's a really large church. They have a great playground, walking path, soccer fields, some restaurants, Seymour Grill, some more medical offices. There's an AutoZone coming up, McDonald's. Bell, Papa Murphy's Pizza. If you're not familiar with Papa Murphy's, it's they make your pizza and then you bake it at home. There's normally not a lot of traffic here. You know, this time of the day, there's people checking out of their cabins, you know, from Sevierville and Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, and this road will take you right to downtown Knoxville. It's also a way to get to the airport. So, you know, it doesn't get busy, but as you can see, just maybe a few extra cars. On the left up here is the Food City. It's one of two major grocery stores in Seymour. The other one is Kroger, which is a little bit further down here on Chapman Highway on the left, which I will show you that in another tour. There's a couple of gas stations, a couple banks. Okay, so I am going to turn left off of Chapman Highway, and I'm going left on 411. This is also known as, actually the road name changes. If I were to go right, that's considered Boyd's Creek Highway. If I turn left, which I am, it is Maryville Highway. But it's also known as 411. There's a nice little donut shop on the corner here by this Exxon, and called Buckin' Goods Donuts. They have good donuts and breakfast sandwiches. There's also a Walgreens right behind there. It's probably only about a 10 or 15 to 20 minute drive into downtown Knoxville from here. Just straight down Chapman Highway. And if I turn left, that also goes into the Food City shopping center. North Knob Creek Road. And it just went around the block. As you'll notice as we go through some of these back roads, you know, we're in the valley, we're right in the foothills of the mountains, so it's, you know, still pretty hilly and mountainous in areas. You know, parts of Seymour are in the mountains, and so the roads can be windy, but nothing crazy. A lot of pretty views around here. Everything's so green right now. It's an older community of Ridgeview Acres we just passed on the left. But I'm picking up where I left off. North Knob Creek Road still. And we are about to be where we started this tour at the beginning of the video. Community on the right is Lexington Place. The community we're about to pass on the left is just a small neighborhood with just a few homes, is Weston Woods. And this neighborhood on the left here is the farm at Davis Hollow. That ends this tour, so please be sure to like and follow us, and we will be posting more videos of around Seymour and other various areas. Thanks for watching.